Hello class, welcome back to another English activity. Today I have brought a special activity for you. This activity is about English pronunciation, especially in verbs that are regulars and they are in past simple. Why is it special? Because there are many people, students or ordinary people that make mistake at the moment of pronunciating these verbs. Let's look at some examples in our ficha de trabajo for this week number 5. For example, I have to mention three verbs in order to find the correct form to say and the incorrect form that people used to do. For example, people used to say in this case, walk it. That is incorrect. The pronunciation is walked. Here I have another example. Talk it. Talk it is an incorrect form to say. The correct form is talked. And there are many different examples that maybe you didn't know, but now you know that is a mistake. And now I'm going to show you how to pronounce those verbs. In English pronunciation, we have three types of pronunciating, only for regular verbs in past simple. For example, we have a sound. The sound is when to say in past. For example, played, played. Don't say play it. That is incorrect. That is a mistake. Instead, it's played. Why? Let me show you. Let me explain. If you look at the word play, only the word play, final Y, play. If you put your fingers here in your throat, in your pipes here, you figure out that the pronunciation or vibration starts and ends here. Played, played, play. If you say play by touching your throat, play, you can feel with your fingers a vibration here. So if it vibrates, it means that the pronunciation in past is final the. For example, played, played. Yes, that is a pronunciation. The second pronunciation is for this pronunciation, we have an example, the verb walk in past, walked. Walked is a mistake. Walked is correct. Walked. Why walked? Let me explain this pronunciation. If you look at the word walk, it doesn't have a vibration here. Walk, it doesn't vibrate here. It has a sound in your mouth. Walk. The sound comes from this part, not from this. Walk. When it happens, so it means that in past, the pronunciation must be t. Example, walked, walked. Because the sound comes from here, not from your vibration. Final pronunciation is id, id. For example, decide in present, in past, decided, decided. It happens when the verb ends in final D, when the verb pronunciation ends in final D. For example, decide, decided. Need, needed. Or final T, want, wanted. Start, started. Three pronunciation. If you want to learn further information about how to pronounce verbs in past, regular verb in past, so I give you the link here. You can click here and go to YouTube in order to watch a video according to what I'm explaining in this, right? Regular verbs pronunciation. So that is the link that you can click here, and it will lead you to the video on YouTube, right? So now let's go on with our reading. We have a reading, and in this reading, I want you to pay attention, a lot of attention to the pronunciation of the verb in past, right? Be very careful at the moment of listening the pronunciation of this verb. One autumn evening, Charles and Beth went to the theater. They attended a play. The play started at 7. Charles and Beth enjoyed the theater. After the play, Charles and Beth walked together in the park. They walked beside the lake. The moon was bright. They talked about their future. When Charles and Beth went home, their children were not asleep. They waited for Charles and Beth to return. They were excited to hear about the theater. Charles told two children about the play. Then Beth put the children to bed. Charles and Beth were very tired. It was a good night. So, could you hear the pronunciation? I said walked. I said talked. I said, let me find, waited. Because now I know the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation. The activity number 5 is, they are 3 questions. Question letter A. Who were they? Who were Charles and Beth? They were family. They were brother and sister. They were mother and father. Which one is your answer? Your answer must be written here in this part. Question B. Where did they go? Where did they go? They were to a circus, to the cinema, to a theater. Where? Where do they go? Your answer must be here. What happened? What happened during the presentation? Uh, the play started at maybe 9 p.m., 8 p.m., or they enjoy, they love, they hated the theater. What happened? Your answer must be here. Activity number 2. Write the past simple of these verbs. For example, go is a verb that it has a different kind of written part. So that's why I'm going to give you the list of irregular verbs that you already have. The list of the irregular verbs mention that the verb go, go here. The verb go is went. So you write here the verb went in past. Now attend, if I remember correctly, attend doesn't belong to this. This list is of irregular verbs. So it means if you can find here the verb attend, it means that is regular verb. And the regular verb, you go and add finality at the end like this, attended, right? And you put here the verb attended. So you continue working by yourself by using this list of irregular verbs. So I'm going to give you the list over here, right? This is the list of the irregular verbs. Let's go to activity number 3. This activity means that you have to find the correct verb and put it here in past simple. Example, the boy a picture yesterday. Oh, the picture said that he was drawing or painting. Paint. Paint is the verb, but you don't have to say paint. You have to write there painted because that verb is in past simple, right? You write this word paint over here, over this place. Okay. Then you continue doing everything. All the answers are going to be there according to the picture, but don't forget to put the verb in past simple. No se olvide poner el verbo que está aquí en pasado simple, right? Esto lo hemos analizado la pronunciación y los dos links que les dejo acerca de el video, cómo pronunciar verbos en pasado y la lista de verbos de irregulares en pasado simple, ¿no? So the class is over. I hope you have learned a lot this morning. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. See you next time.